Okay, we're going to show you how to unfold and fold up the E1 commuter from Genesis. In its folded state, it looks like this, and you basically get it in the box this way. It's ready to go and carry on the train or whatever. You can bring it up the stairs to your apartment. When you need to unfold it, you can lay it on, put it on the ground. The seat post will act almost as a bit of a tripod on there, leaving you free to do the rest. So first step, you take the handlebar, pull it up. Once the two halves are properly seated, take this lever, push it all the way in, and you take this collar and put that piece right into that hole there so that it doesn't accidentally come out. Then you take the two halves, join them, and you have this lever here. You make sure that this bolt fits right into this hole, and you press it down. It should snap in. If you don't hear a snap, that means that the bolt is not positioned correctly. Then you have a little locking lever here, again, just to prevent it from accidentally slipping out. Put the kickstand on at this point. So the next step is to adjust the seat. Open up the quick release, adjust it to the proper height, whatever your preference is. Line it up correctly. You can stand behind the frame and then tell if it's straight or not, and you push the quick release. Make sure that there is enough pressure on there that it makes it a little bit hard to close. If this quick release is too loose, you run the risk of this sliding down as you're riding and potentially getting injured. So to adjust that, like any other quick release system, you can adjust the bolt back here until you get the desired tightness. And when it's set correctly, it should be hard, a little bit hard to push in. And there we go. And you can test it just by making sure you can't twist it on the frame. The pedals collapse. To unfold them, just push them up. They're spring-loaded, so they shoot out. Same thing with the other side. Last final adjustments on it. You want to set the handlebar height correctly. Open the quick release. Same thing applies for this quick release as for the seat post. You want to make sure that there's plenty of resistance when you lock it back up. So set it to your height preference, lock it. Again, it should be stiff. And the final adjustment would be the handlebars and the reach for the brakes. You loosen up this bolt here, adjust it to your desired angle, lock it up, and you're ready to go.